Alright, good morning. Looks like Advent of Code is online. So let's take a look at what they are doing this year. Santa's reindeer eat regular reindeer food, but they need a lot of magical energy to deliver presents for Christmas. We need star fruits. Makes sense. We need 50 stars. The jungle must be too overgrown and difficult to navigate in vehicles or access from the air. Number of calories is important. One item per line. That all makes sense. So we got a list of calories. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. So elves are carrying a certain amount of items with a certain amount of calories. Let me actually log in. Perfect. Get my puzzle input. Input day 1. Let's see. Okay, so the goal is to first find the elf carrying the most calories. How many calories is that elf carrying? So what I'm going to do is, let's see. Let's see. How do I want to do this? So I can read all the lines, split it by double next lines, and then split it inside again for the calories per elf. Okay. Input slash there 1. As you can see, I'm using a Visual Studio Code with a Jupyter notebook. So this gives me a nice. Okay, so this already gives me a list with a new line. So now I want to create the specific elves and basically keep adding until the line is empty. And I also need to convert it to integers. I can see if CoPilot has a good suggestion. Nah, that doesn't work. Thanks, CoPilot, anyways. I'm definitely not awake yet. So strip, so I remove the new line. If not line, elf can append elf, and elf is a new list. Alright, so now I create a line out of it. And I create integers out of it, and keep doing this until it's empty. And now I have a nice list with 2000, let's see if that is correct, until 5456, yes, and then 6693 until 2904, and I even kept the last one, great. And then the question is, find the elves with the most calories. How many calories is that elf carrying? Okay, what I can do is do elves.sort based on the sum, and then I see that there is a certain elf which is carrying this, so I can say part 1 sum of elves 0. Let's see if this is correct or not. Alright, we have the first piece of starfruit. So now we calculate the answer. They've already realized that the elf carrying the most calories of food might eventually run out of snacks. That's unacceptable indeed. The top 3 elves carrying the most calories. Even if the top 3 runs out of snacks, they still have backups. Okay, so I need to have the sum of the top 3. How many calories are these elves carrying in total? So I can say print, yeah, thanks CoPilot. We also need sum of elves 3. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that CoPilot sometimes really messes things up. But at least we have an answer. Let's see, the top 3 of the elves carrying the most calories. How many calories are these elves carrying in total? Okay, so this is for day 1. Let's actually say top n is 3, and then say can I do a sum of the total elves? I'm not sure how this evaluates. If I do sum elves, it doesn't recursively do. No, okay. So it doesn't recursively take the sum of elves, but what I can do is sum of x for x in elves. I'm not sure actually if this actually makes it more pretty, but we still get our 207,000 calories. Yeah, that's still the correct answer. And let's actually think about this for a bit. 207,000 calories. If let's say that we go to this island and we need 2,000 calories per person, and we can support 100 people for a single day. I don't know. Santa looks a bit fatter, so maybe he might need some extra. I don't know. Anyways. let's see. Create a collection of elves. I always like to make a bit clear what's happening. Sort the elves based on the number of gifts they have. No, that's probably another year. Calories. The elf with the most calories is carrying. See how many calories the top N elves are carrying in total. Okay. I'm at least happy. I set up a new laptop yesterday evening to be able to run this. So far everything seems to run, and we are done with day 1. Yeah. One thing which could be fun is take a look at the leaderboard for today, because I'm fairly sure that that everyone is already in there. So I can look at per day 1. So it looks like people did the first 2 in 2 minutes. I don't know how much time I took, but it is kind of fun. Anyways, this was the first day of I guess my series of vlogs I wanted to make about Advent of Code. Just see how I'm solving puzzles, see how far I get, and see how far I actually get with streaming. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you.